So you might be looking for a way to fold the side mirrors on your Volkswagen Tiguan. Well, there is an easy way for you to do this. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you need to turn on your Volkswagen Tiguan. Now, once you have this turned on and running, that should provide the necessary power here to basically fold your side mirrors because you need some power in order for you to do this. So, in this case, you want to go and just look for a very specific knob. So, the knob usually looks like or something similar to this one. Now, this knob here usually controls the side mirror. Now, if you can find this in your car, usually it's going to be at the side door or at the door of the driver's seat. So just maybe at the left or right side. So in this case, you want to go and look for this knob. So it might be hidden. So go and just look for any compartments. But once you do see this knob, you want to go and just turn it into the folding position. As you can see at the bottom left here, you should see that folding position. You want to go and just turn it in there. And once you've turned this, you can go ahead and just wait for a while. It will automatically basically fold itself. So once it's actually fully folded up, you go ahead and just retain it in that position and do whatever you need to do here. If you're in a car wash or whatever, you can go ahead and just proceed with whatever you're doing. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.